Meter refers to a regular rhythmic pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables in lines of verse. In a stressed accented language, such as English, words are communicated by stressing some syllables with more volume than others. Thus, we say poetry and not poetry. That pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables can extend over more than single words to give poetic language a musical quality of recurring sounds charged with anticipation and surprise. We call a regularly repeating pattern of rhythmically repeating stressed and unstressed groups of syllables meter. In general, poetry in English features 6 different patterns of meter, each of which is called a foot. We will focus on 4 of them, 2 of rising meter, iambs and anapests, since they start with unstressed and finish with stressed syllables, and 2 of falling meter, trochees and dactyls, since they begin stressed and end unstressed. An iamb is the most common foot in English poetry and consists of an unstressed and then stressed syllable. The words belong, unite, and surprise are natural iambs. When scanning a line of poetry, we mark iambs with a little boat symbol and then a slash mark. An anapest consists of 3 syllables, 2 unstressed and 1 stressed syllable. The words overthrow and contradict are natural anapests, although the pattern, while unusual, is usually spread among multiple words. It can be marked as follows, with 2 little boats followed by a slash. Trochees are the opposites of iambs and consist of a stressed and unstressed syllable, as in raven or poet, marked by a slash and then the little u or boat. Dactyls are the opposite of anapests and consist of a stressed syllable followed by 2 unstressed syllables, as in poetry, scanned as follows. A single line of verse can repeat a rhythmic foot in repeating groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or even more feet, although more is rare. For example, when a poem repeats an anapest twice in every or almost every line of the poem, we can say that the poem is written in anapestic dimeter. If the poem consists of verses of 4 trochees each, it is written in trochaic tetrameter. And if iambs repeat 5 times in each line, we have a case of iambic pentameter, perhaps the most prevalent meter in English poetry. So to review, rhythm is the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables that are arrayed for our purposes in 4 feet. Iambs and anapests, trochees and dactyls that can repeat in arrangements of 2, 3, 4, 5, or more, producing a meter that will always include 2 words, the foot and the number of repetitions. This gives poetry a musical quality and a rhythm of change and predictability that also forces the poet to choose a particular sound or word. Now you know what iambic pentameter or trochaic trimeter mean. Your next step is to practice finding these metrical patterns in poetry you read.